What would an extra 10K do for you? Hi, my name is Heather. I am a mom who's fixing to have her youngest graduate from high school, and we're working to pay for college. Now, our community has just done 3.7 million this month of April, and that's in only one of our products. 3.7 million. Our mentor is about to drop the 10K in May recipe. You're going to want to be a part of this. So go ahead and get started. Let's get you set up so that you can earn 10K in May. In the comments, tell me what you would do with 10K. If you had an extra 10K, how that would change your life.